relationship with Ellerbrock started 20 years ago. And clearly, as I just mentioned, everything that we need from the insurance standpoint is covered. We've been a very active participant in the Encore safety program. They've helped tremendously with some OSHA issues and some of our accidents and some of the things that we've needed help on. I tell people when they ask what we do is we make parts that keep things from falling off and falling down. So a lot of threaded rod, a lot of products for high-rise buildings, for bridges. It's all steel, and generally it's something that will anchor something to the ground. Well, the purpose of TSA is pretty easy. It's kind of threefold. It's to provide meaningful jobs, make quality parts, and be a good corporate citizen. And not necessarily in that order, but that's what we focus on. We see Ellerbrock very much as an active partner in TSA. And one of the things I love about Ellerbrock is they're small enough, they know our business, they know most of our key employees, they've been in the shop, they've toured the shop, so they're small enough to give us that personal attention, but also big enough to give us first-class sources and solutions to our problems. They're a phone call away, and for us, a short drive away. And that gives me a great deal of comfort that if we need anything, they're always available and they understand our business. We may have problems or accidents or incidents, but we always have somebody that's there to help us and in our court for us. So that makes me feel great. I've known the Bassetts for a long, long time, so that helps. It's like a good brother or a friend coming in. So it's very comfortable whenever we need anything or whenever we ask. Someone's on the phone and returns a call immediately. So it's been a wonderful relationship. I'm very appreciative of what Ellerbrock has done for us, helped us these past 20 years, and I look forward to more of the same.